Hey y'all, it's Deanne. Welcome back, and we're pushing through. You know, I don't know how long ago it was, but I was in a chat, and Direct Poncho was there, and he talked a little bit about Stuck on You, and he's all like, "I will tell you guys this: don't binge watch Stuck on You." And probably I should have listened, but here I am going into episode 5. Thinking, well, before that, I was like, no, I can handle it because I like emotions and I like feeling emotions. And I'm starting to rethink what I was thinking beforehand. Maybe Direct Poncho was right. But yeah, so I'm not terribly overwhelmed right now, so we're still gonna keep going. But yeah, he's right on the money. Don't binge watch this show. So lots of emotions in the last episode, and especially towards the end. Mostly at the end. Losing someone, even though you're not close, is really, really difficult. And then the pandemic has, basically restricted us to doing our normal things, especially with friends or people that we care about and family and all of that stuff. So here we are, separated, and without being able to be close to someone physically, whether it be as a lover or as a friend. Just the intimate portion of it all is really difficult unless you're stuck with that person. So here we are. Reb is a very emotional person, and I super relate to him. But in a way, I super relate to JM as well, because he's got this wall up, he's guarded, and he doesn't want to let anybody in. And that is me as well, because, once you've been hurt in a magnificent way, it's hard to let people in. So anyway, but his wall is starting to crumble, and what is Rip doing to break through? But yes, let us keep going with Stuck on You, episode 5. Oh god, I'm nervous and I'm excited all at the same time. So, but yeah, all right. Here we go. Day 5. Oh. Not JM sleeping with Keiko. Oh my gosh. But there moment in the end of the last episode. Oh. And he stopped. Oh.
Good morning. Tanghali na eh. Wait, sorry. Hindi ka lang nakatapos. Okay lang. Sabihin ko na lang na nawalan na kuryente. Anyway, stop.
Damn, so sweet. The last night.
Wala yun eh. Kapali ka takpan.
Oh.
Sorry ah. Bad joke.
It was a bad joke, sir.
Wala. Ano ito? Wala. Sorry, naghamit ko ah.
Who was you, sir? Hello?
Don't your life. Fuck. I lost you too. Huwag naman sana. Don't worry about it. Sama naman ako dito eh. Pero sis, diretso cremate daw talaga. Oo?
eh. Ganun talaga pag COVID case. Hindi mo na natin napagbuksa si bakla.
I'm sorry for your loss. Alam ko kung gaano kayo naging close, especially these past few months.
Ang labo nga. Hindi ko maintindihan yung nararamdaman ko. Malungkot ako, for sure. Pero, sa dami ng taong nawala. Parang, desensitize na ako sa pain. At ang morbid na, parte na to ng everyday life.
That's so
Kasi
sad.
sa nandito lang ako if you need me. Message mo lang ako or call me. Anything.
Salamat ha. Mag-iingat ka. Bye.
Bye. Ingat ka rin.
Mm.
Anong ginagawa mo? Binge watch. I think it might be a good idea for both of us to escape reality for a bit.
I want to escape reality a lot, not just a bit. Oh, he patted the couch. He's like, "Come join me." Oh. What are you watching? He's like, "Here's the snacks." Hey, what?
Hello? Brandeb?
Oh,
Brandeb Benita?
the whole name.
Aging Brandeb. Sorry, may sinasabi ka? Kasi,
Distracted.
clearly, hindi ko pa okay.
He's not okay.
Pinakamatagal na tayo na hindi ko bumikit since we met. So, I'm offering you something na you really love doing that always makes you laugh. Ayan. Sabi mo ka balik. Hindi na, sabi mo na ako. May free pass ka na nga ako. Thanks, pero... Natal ako sa mundo yun, JM. Oh, sige. Panoorin na lang natin yung paborito mong TV series. Jay, okay lang. Ano na? Kailangan ko lang talaga siguro mag-process. For a bit.
Yes, process.
Nothing better later, okay? Alam mo naman ako, there's always a silver lining to things. Look on the bright side niya, di ba? Just give me time, okay?
Yes, time.
Okay, sige. Basta, dito lang ako ha. Thanks. Siya lang muna ako.
Continue trying. Oh my god. Yay. Oh, day 6. What are you doing?
Para sa'yo. Though hindi ko alam kung nasa tono pa yun eh. Kasi matagal na siya nakastock sa gesture.
He went into the crystal.
Hindi. Nagdala ko kasama na yun.
Gonna go down that road.
I think it would be a great start. Ano nga pala?
Thanks.
JM. Thank you and a song would be perfect.
Nah.
Wala eh. Parang wala pa rin ang feeling. Diba, sa music natin na-express lahat ng gusto natin? Yung mga nararamdaman natin. A wise young, almost hook-up told me. Music helps us, the feelings na mga kinikimkim natin, which in turn helps us move forward. Or something like that.
That's true.
Ewan ko, kamutan ko na. Napaka-hypocritical naman niya kung hindi mo susundin yung mga sinabi mo.
Look at him trying. Oh my god. Yay, character development.
Ano pang sabihin pangalan? Di ba ang ating
I really like this song.
natin sila basta ang mahalaga ay Thanks. Yeah, I've been writing it for the past few days. It's beautiful. It's far from finished. Pero, thank you, Joanna. I'm feeling a lot better. I needed that.
Yay!
So,
Oh.
kanina nga pala ito ang ipahan ko.
Here we go.
No one that matters.
Oh!
At least anymore.
Oh! What does that mean?
Tignan mo na yan. Para naman may gamitin ka tsaka hindi mo ginagawa ng wifi. Can you play another one? Kaya ha.
Excuse me,
No,
sir?
sarili lang kasi ako magtugtog at kumanta sa sarili kong kanta. Kasi naman mahihiya sa akin. Tsaka, wala naman ibang tao oh. Ako lang to oh. Ito naman eh. After nung break lahat ng rules ng bahay ko, ngayon ko pa mahihiya sa akin.
Right? All the rules are broken. All the rules.
Alam ko na. May good courage.
Yes, please. I love this soundtrack.
By the way, if you don't mind me asking, lagi mo kasing nababanggit yung mama mo. Anong nangyari sa kanya? Oh, but you don't have to answer if you're not comfortable. It's completely fine. But, natanong ko lang kasi sobrang close kami ng mama ko. Single mom kasi siya. And, pinalaki niya kami ng mga kapatid ko mag-isa.
Oh.
And yet she never asked for anything in return. She, out of all the people I know in the world, has the most reasons to either be sad or stressed out. And yet never niyang pinakita sa amin yun.
Oh, that's where he gets it from. His
Captain
mom.
Marvel, my Wonder Woman, and my Miss Universe rolled into one.
Yes, as everyone's mother should be.
Cancer.
Oh.
Huh? My mom. She died of cancer.
Oh.
The diagnosis when I was in college. But it was too late kasi late stage na namin nalaman. Then, a year later, sunod naman si Dad. Iatake na yun ang puso niya na wala si Mama. Shit. I'm sorry.
Wow.
It's fine. Tuloy mo yun?
It's not fine.
No,
It doesn't matter how long ago it was.
That
No.
kind of pain stays with you.
It does.
Hindi ko ma-imagine kung ano mangyayari
Wow.
kung wala yung mama ko. I guess. But the hard part was on losing them. What comes after is worse. Gising ka every single day. And you slowly realize that you're losing your memories of them.
Oh.
Or worse. Start
Again.
feeling okay without them.
No, again, no.
So I'm not okay. But that's what they would have wanted for you. Kalimutan sila? Hindi, I mean, for you to be able to move on and go on about your life, wala sila. And you know, if they were here, they'd be so proud of how independent you've become. Siguro. Alam mo, sana may kapatid na lang ako. At least, I can have someone to share this pain with.
And now you
Boy,
have
ang dark
Rib.
naman ng masyado.
No, but really, I grew up na walang kapatid. So, all of this happened, tapos I had no one to share and to spend with. I mean, aside from Malia, I guess.
Oh, he
Pero
mentioned
siya
her.
dyan, even after everything that happened, siguro nga wala siya, wala na rin ako. She pulled me out of a real dark place.
Leah?
Mm.
She was the ex. But before that, she was my best friend. Kaya nga, even after everything she did to me, I still care about her. And sometimes I wish she still cared about it.
Mm.
That's sweet, but really sad.
There's
How-
always
how many
going to
have
be
we
people like
had,
that for
fellas?
us. Kahit saktan nila tayo, paulit-ulitin, loko-lokohin, tapak-tapakan ng puso natin, we still love them anyway.
Yes, we do.
That's
Sadly.
romantic and all, but it's actually the worst feeling in the world. Kasi hindi kahit na hindi mo may labas, you end up hating yourself. You start thinking kung bakit ka nila ganun gagawin? Why did you do that shit?
Mm.
Alam mo, dapat gawin mo sinusulat mo pantay eh. Kasi I'm pretty sure na lahat ng tao nakaka-experience ng ganun towards someone.
Mm.
I haven't.
Well, I wish you never get to know that kind of thing ever in your life. Cheers.
That's saying it all. Better to have loved and lost than to have loved at all. I'm not sure. I'm not sure about that.
Boy! Boy, ka ba dyan? Boy, no! Hi! Uy, ikaw ah.
It's gross.
Kaya ko never video ka na. Shush! Enjoy ka naman eh! Alam mo ikaw, napaka-cute ng tao. Lagi kong masaya eh. Bakit ka lang? Bakit ka ba lagi kasing galit na?
Wow.
Bakit ka ba lagi galit sa akin? Di ako galit
He's
sa'yo.
just mad. He's not mad at you.
Di ako galit sa'yo, galit ako sa mundo. Eh, ano na? Tumingin mo ako. Ano na? Masyama ka na para may miss mo sa mundo. Alam mo ikaw? You're the nicest person I've ever met. Siguro pasal lang yung pagiging hard mo, no? But keep on being kind. Yan. You're just a sweet and cute and cuddly teddy bear.
Yep, he's a teddy bear.
You know? And be loved.
Yes.
Ay, magkasubukan din.
Wow, Rev, no! That liquid courage backfired on y'all. Maybe that's not a good place to sleep when somebody is drunk like that. Oh, Lord have mercy.
Sino na pala? Oo. Gising ko lang. So, na kagabi, about it. Ano ba tayo alam mo na, Uy, hindi ako ganyan ha. Hindi ako gumagalaw ng tao walang kamalo-malo, no? Sigurado lang naman. Dito kasi sa kama mo. Tapos yung damit ko, iba. Yata. Kita mo nga nandito ako sa side ngayon, no? Saka kaya naiba naman yung damit mo kasi mas mukha ano ko gabi. Pinaliguan pa nga kita eh. Tapos, pinaglinis ko pa ako ng siya. Naliguan mo ko? Oo. Pinaliguan kita. And no, hindi ko makita yung ano mo. Nabalik ka naman dahusan. So, paano mo ako binitisan? Pwede. Ha? Ikaw mismo nagbisa sa sarili mo. I just gave you clean clothes, left in the bathroom, and hope for the best. Tignan mo, balitag ang damit mo. Shit. Sorry, hindi mo ganito mo na siya. Promise, decent yung tao mo. Gaga to the person who stole my bed last night. Stole your bed? Oo. Laka-laka na ng space ng kama. Sinakop mo lahat eh. Tapos, di ko pa ako tirahan ng kubo. Kakahiya. Pero, it's okay. Pero okay. I've seen worse. And I've been worse.
Yeah.
Definitely dito. Yung ano na, binig kami meditation kaya tayo nag-cut. Aim for the toilet ha! Baka pag-inisip mo naman ako dyan.
Oh no! Oh my God, we've all been there. I know we have. Oh jeez. Wow. What to even say about this? There's not much to say. Just them talking and connecting, and that's great. And again, with JM giving more information and opening up. This is amazing. And him being mad at the world. Yeah, it's been great. So, yeah, this is moving along quite nicely, and I still want to know if we're gonna learn anything about Reb. So yeah, I'm definitely excited for the next episode. I'm excited for the next episode. I'm really enjoying how open JM is being with Reb. I think it's really well paced character development. So yeah, I'm all in it. I'm all for this. So anyway, wow. This has been so good. Oh my God, this is really good. Okay, anyway, thanks for watching with me. I'll see you next time. Bye.